In the morning light, I rise with the sun. A brand new day, a chance to have some fun. I stretch and yawn, and I start to feel alive. With a heart full of dreams, ready to take a dive. This is my daily routine, a life so serene. From morning till night, it's a beautiful scene. With every passing hour, I find my own way. Living life to the fullest, come what may. I brush my teeth and wash my face so clean. Preparing for a day that's yet to be seen. A cup of coffee steaming, it warms my soul. As I set my goals to reach, to make my life whole. This is my daily routine, a life so serene. From morning till night, it's a beautiful scene. With every passing hour, I find my own way. Living life to the fullest, come what may. I'm off to work with a smile on my face, embracing every challenge. I'll keep up the pace, from meetings to deadlines and some emails too. I'll tackle it all, cause I know I'll break through. This is my daily routine, a life so serene. From morning till night, it's a beautiful scene. With every passing hour, I find my own way. Living life to the fullest, come what may. When the day is done, I head back home to unwind. Share stories with my loved ones, the moments I find. A warm, hearty meal and a book by my side, before I drift off to sleep with the stars as my guide. And in the night, I close my eyes and dream of a world where everything's not as it may seem. I'll rest, rejuvenate, and let my spirit soar, for tomorrow's a new day, with even more in store. This is my daily routine, a life so serene. From morning till night, it's a beautiful scene. With every passing hour, I find my own way. Living life to the fullest, come what may. So day by day, I follow this gentle theme, embracing my routine and chasing every dream. With gratitude in my heart, I'll continue to play in this life's sweet music. From morning to night and day by day,